All right, y'all. I'm back. As you know, I am recording. I'm in my car because you know what? Life don't wait. It does not wait for anybody. And I am done with the whole perfection thing, with trying to make sure everything is perfect, making sure the lighting's great and all that. I am recording it straight from the ride, from the car, as I usually do. I am 47. I got family. I got kids. I'm juggling my job. I'm trying to recreate my design business as well as become what you see here, a YouTuber. Now, haven't recorded a video in about 6, maybe 7 days, but you know what? Who's counting? And does it really matter? Well, we'll get into that in this video. So, if you're going along with me on this journey, I'm going to ask that you stop what you're doing right now. Make sure you subscribe, hit like, because what I'm also doing, currently I am at 37 subscribers. 37. I'm starting out. I'm trying to get focused and I'm trying to get this thing going the way that I would like it to be. But in order for me to live stream and give you more information, give you more content, and just bring you in on my life, whether I'm sitting at a desktop, iPad, or on my mobile phone, I got to hit 50 subscribers. 50 is the magic number for me right now. 50 subscribers will allow me to do those things. And some of you out there who are watching this video, you may already know that because possibly you've hit that number. I have not hit that number yet. So I'm asking you, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, this video, and help me reach that goal. Now, moving on. And like I said, I have not recorded in 6 days. 6 days feels like forever. And the way that content works and the way that we get information nowadays, six days could be forever. But you know what? It doesn't really matter, especially when you're working towards a goal. Like throughout these 6 days, I took the time out to try to not just take a breather and understand what YouTube is and understand how it works, but to improve on the content. For example, I've been working a whole lot on thumbnails. I did not, well, I can't say I did not. I didn't understand how important that thumbnails are. You hear a lot of people talking, oh, well, you got to have the right thumbnails, you got to have the right titles. And I'm understanding that now. Like, because I look at the start, I was so focused on the fact that not only do I just need to get this content out here, I can just put together a thumbnail and just throw it out there. And one thing that I learned is CTR, which is a click-through rate. If you are not in that I say 4 to 7%, like, plan on not getting the views, not getting the watch hours, and not getting what you expect out of the video. Not to say that your content wasn't good, but without the proper packaging, it's kind of like going to a grocery store. Like, the thing is, what attracts you most to YouTube and what brings you to that person's video is the title and the thumbnail. If those things aren't good, then it doesn't matter how good your content is. No one's going to click on it. No one's going to know anything because the packaging isn't right. So in these 6 days I took off, I took the time out to actually really work on, improve, and design better thumbnails. So check out some of my previous videos. I left some old thumbnails on some other videos, so you can check those videos out as well. But I also I'm mixing the two up. Like, I'm showing you what it was before and how it's grown. And again, it's all about improving with each and every week in every video. So right now I took that time out to improve on my thumbnails. Now, in order to make sure that I stayed focused, one of the things and one of the goals that I had set out for myself was to just create the content and push it out there. And if it meant that I had to record it from my car, because again, I'm a graphic designer, so I need my my laptop, I need my desktop computer, my iPad whenever I'm trying to do something quick. But when it comes to YouTube and it comes to being consistent, that was one of the things that I struggled with so much, that I said, you know what, if I'm in the car, I'm on my lunch break, I'm just going to record a video, I'm going to throw it out there. So it wasn't as much of the design portion, the recording portion. It was remaining consistent. And that's what I think I'm fighting the most, because consistency is key when it comes to YouTube. I've tried starting channels previously. I've done this. I've started and stopped like multiple times, but this time I feel like I want to be a little more consistent, and we're in December of 2025 and we're going to move. Everything that I'm doing right now is focused on 2026. So I'm looking to be a lot more consistent, and that is the goal. So if you're out there, if you're creating content on YouTube, if you're new to it, understand that each video needs to improve and you need to get better with each video that you create. But the most important part right now is consistent, remaining consistent on any platform, no matter what you're doing. Consistency outweighs talent every time, because you're just basically getting the reps in. So that's my focus, not just for now, not just for this video, but going forward, is remaining consistent. So like I stated earlier in this video, I'm 13 subscribers away from hitting my personal goal of 50 subscribers so I can begin to go live. So if you are in the same predicament as me, if you're just starting out in YouTube, if you've been on YouTube and you're making a comeback, let's join together. Let's take this journey with me together. Help me hit 50 subscribers by Saturday. Saturday is the goal. That's the time frame. If I can do it earlier, great. If it takes me a little longer, as long as I hit it. But the goal is 50 subscribers. So if you watch this, you enjoy this, you want to be part of the journey, or you're just looking to be entertained, because I promise you, I got good content and everything that you could use. Not to be braggadocious or whatever, but listen, help me hit 50 subscribers. I'm 13 away. I'm at 37. I want to do it by Saturday. So hit that subscribe button, share this video out, join the journey, follow me on my journey, and let's make it happen, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.